Hi.
Hey, welcome. We're so glad you're here. We are His Own. We are a band and ministry out of Nashville, Tennessee. And today we're talking about America. America, y'all. And can we still trust in God even when we feel like America's going a little crazy right now? Presidential election. Anybody scared?
Yeah, so right now, all over social media, you hear the conversations in the grocery store, in the checkout lines, everywhere people are kind of freaking out about what's going on in our country right now with the election going on. And we were founded on this.
On the dollar.
In God.
We're founded on $1.
$1, you guys. So really, like, can we trust God in this? In God we trust. Do we?
Yeah. And it's so hard. Trust is such an ongoing struggle. But one just really quick story about trust. First of all, God's providence is all around us. I really, really believe that God is constantly speaking to us, constantly providing for us. We just have to have the eyes of faith and the ears to hear it. So one time I was living in a community and doing this experience in this community where we depend on divine providence. I always love telling this story. And I really didn't believe that. I did not believe that God could provide even in the smallest, most seemingly insignificant ways. And living off of divine providence meant that we depended on the food that people would bring us. We never asked for what we needed. And so one day I was in the chapel and I was like, Lord, if you want me to really see that you're a Father that knows our needs, that truly, truly provides for us, I want to pray for a food that's like never going to come to this house. So I thought, what's the most, silly, unexpected food I could pray for? And so I prayed for avocados. Because avocados,
good for you.
I just never saw people bring avocados to the house. I was like, who's going to buy a bunch of avocados? They're expensive. And so I was like, Lord, if you really want me to see that you're a Father that knows us, that loves us, that provides for us, even in the littlest things, bring the avocados. So a couple days went by, I forgot I prayed this prayer, and I walked by the kitchen and the cook was making guacamole. And she's like, I have to make this guacamole because somebody brought all these avocados. And I just saw, really in that moment, Lord, you really do know us, you really love us, and you're really, really there. We can trust in you.
Even in the small details. So how much more can we trust Him in the big things, like an election?
Yeah, no matter what happens. No matter what happens.
Yeah, no matter what happens, God is here.
He's in
with it
control.
all. So, trust. We were founded on trust. So, I hope you guys have a great week, and come find us on Facebook at Be His Own, Instagram, Be His Own, Twitter, Be His Own Music. Send us your selfies, your Make Up As Money selfies, and we hope to see y'all soon. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks.
See you next week.
Bye.